All right, Judge Juan Marchand now in New York saying he could be putting off that sentencing of one Donald J. Trump over the hush money trial indefinitely, but not totally. Tom Dupree, the former Deputy Assistant Attorney General, what he makes of this. So this is still hanging over the president-elect and likely could, maybe will, throughout his presidency and restart after his term ends. What do you make of that?
Well, Neil, it's hanging over him right now, but we got some signals today from the judge that do suggest that it might not be hanging over him for much longer. The judge kicked the sentencing can further down the road. He did what's called adjourn the sentencing, which is lawyers speak basically for postponing it. But he also did something pretty interesting. He invited the defense lawyers to file briefs explaining why the charges should be dismissed entirely. And if I'm a defense lawyer, it's a pretty good sign when the judge is inviting me to file briefs and explain to him why this entire case should be dismissed. So we may have a resolution before Trump takes office in January.
Bottom line is all these cases go away, or so it seems, right? Pretty much.
I think that's right. The Jack Smith cases, the two federal prosecutions are definitely going to go away. We know before January 20th or January 20th at noon at the very latest. The Georgia case has been in a state of suspended animation for a long time now. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. And as we saw from today's order, I suspect there's a good chance the New York case, the fourth in that group, will also be going away before too long.
You know, Tom, I just wonder if the election had gone the other way and what Donald Trump would be facing in that event. What do you think?
He would be facing a completely different world, Neil. For one thing, he obviously wouldn't have the power to fire Jack Smith. And so those two cases, or at least the January 6th case in Washington, D.C., would be moving full steam ahead. The Georgia case, maybe that's going to come back to life, maybe not. But the New York case, that would still be going. And I think Trump would be facing some sort of sentencing proceeding if he hadn't won the election. But this election changed everything.
It did, and that is an understatement. Tom, thank you very much. Tom Dupree on that.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.